Hi guys, it's Mark from anypond.com, your trusted resource in the UK for ponds and water features, and today we're talking about pond rocks. Where is the best place to buy rocks for ponds and water features? Well, that all depends on what type of rock you want. As you can see behind me, we've got some absolute big rocks, and you need access. If you're going to get rocks this sort of size, as you can see, some of these rocks are a ton in weight. If you want these types of rocks, you're going to have a lot of access. You're going to have a lorry. That's a big lorry, 20-ton lorry that's got 8 wheels, and you've got to have a lot of space. And we need a machine to actually process them, because what we want to do is we don't want to build with great big rocks. We want a natural blend. So we want a couple of different portion sizes. So what we do is we actually carry this particular stone in a number of different combinations. What I've got here in my hand is we've got a couple of different sizes. As you can see, these ones, I'll throw them back into this pile and you can see the size of look at the size of those big rocks now. They're a ton in weight, and like I say, you need access. So if you're building a big water feature and you've got plenty of access, yes, the best place to buy rocks from is a quarry and get it direct. If you haven't got the access and you don't want 20 ton at a time, then you're better off buying it in bulk bags. And then what you can do is you can buy it in from, rockery centres or paving centres, somewhere that holds rockery stone. Also, we have here at Pond College, we have a number of different crates, and that might be that you buy stone from a local garden centre. You can go and buy glacial boulders the same sort of size as your head from a garden centre and fill your boot. Depends on how much you want. If you want half a ton or 3/4 of a ton for a mini waterfall kit or something, then go to your garden centre or buy them online. I'm not going to give you a whole combination of different names. Where do we actually buy our rock from? We buy them from all over the place. We buy them from paving centre, we buy them from the quarries themselves, we buy them from local farmers, believe it or not. So when they're ploughing the fields, the stone comes along or gets brought up to the surface from that actual process, and they put it aside and we go round and harvest the stones, because sometimes it's a case of the local stone is the best stone to use. These are our stone of choice at the moment because we've got every single size available to us, all the way from small stones all the way up to massive great big stones. This is a local stone to us. Like I say, it comes in a massive great big container. Yeah, you can come and buy smaller quantities from us. If you want to come to Pond College and fill your boot, that's not a problem. We can supply you with stone. But if you're looking for local stone, check out your local garden centres and speak to people that have got stones that you like. That's the best thing to do. There's a couple of different things that you've got to be cautious about when you're buying stone for ponds and water features, and that's whether it's fish safe. Most of the granites, they're perfectly fine, but speak to the supplier of rock. Are they suitable for fish ponds or fish tanks? If it's suitable for a fish tank, then it's suitable for a garden pond, no problem. What you don't want to end up is buying sandstone or mudstone or something that's going to break down when it comes in contact with water. So there's a few tips, and hopefully that's answered your question, where is the best place to buy rock from. So my name's Mark, the Pond Advisor, and I'm here to support you dream, plan and enjoy ponds and water features. And let me know in the comment section below, where do you buy your rocks for ponds and water features? Is it a garden centre? Is it 8-wheelers? You put it in the comment section below, and we'll have a chat down there. Thanks a lot. See you next time.